Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the kitchen to find the best healthier cooking oils out there, and I'm challenging myself to cook 3 meals using only these oils. Let's see how it goes. Choosing the right cooking oil is crucial for our overall health. Making an informed decision can make a significant difference in our well-being. Many kitchens are still stocked with unhealthy cooking oils like partially hydrogenated oils and those high in omega-6 fatty acids. These can lead to inflammation and other health issues when consumed excessively. Refined oils, like canola or soybean oil, are often highly processed and may contain harmful chemicals. Regularly consuming these oils can increase the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Unhealthy cooking oils are often cheap and widely available, which contributes to their widespread use. Pretty concerning, right? But don't worry, because I've got some awesome alternatives for you. Olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil are fantastic substitutes, offering numerous health benefits. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking, and it's also rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Coconut oil, with its unique medium-chain triglycerides, can help with weight management and boost the immune system. Each of these oils has its own unique benefits and uses, and understanding their characteristics is essential for making the most of their health benefits. When comparing these healthier options to traditional cooking oils, it's clear that they offer a range of advantages. Not only do they provide potential health benefits, but they also add unique flavors and textures to various dishes. For example, olive oil is perfect for salad dressings and low-heat cooking. Avocado oil is better suited for high-heat cooking and barbecues. And coconut oil? Well, it's fantastic for baking and making desserts. The versatility of these oils makes them a great addition to any kitchen. Expert opinions and studies often highlight the benefits of these oils, and they're frequently recommended by health professionals. Among these, avocado oil stands out as a top recommended healthier cooking oil. It has a mild flavor, high smoke point, and rich nutrient profile. It's an excellent all-purpose oil that can be used for sautéing, roasting, and making salad dressings. Many experts agree that avocado oil is a great choice for those looking to make a healthier switch from traditional cooking oils. Its benefits are backed by scientific studies, which have shown that it can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. With its numerous health benefits and versatility in cooking, avocado oil is an excellent option for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking oil. So the key points to remember are: choosing the right cooking oil is essential for our health, and opting for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil can make a significant difference. These oils offer a range of benefits, from reducing inflammation to providing unique flavors and textures to various dishes. By making informed decisions about the cooking oils we use, we can take a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle. I'd love to hear about your favorite cooking oils in the comments below. Check out my other videos on seed oils, the truth behind the hype, and benefits of MCT oils. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.